letters. So tell me, what we have learned in the previous class? We have learned a poem, isn't it? We have learned a poem. Now tell me the name of the poem. Holding Hands. So the name of the poem is Holding Hands. This poem was written by the famous writer Leonard M. Link. Leonard M. Link. This poem is all about elephants. This poem is all about elephants. What are the things elephants do in a circus ring? So in the previous class we have learned the first eight lines. Today we will learn the another 8 lines. Shall we recap the previous class? So in the previous class we have learned these 8 lines. Shall we read it once again? Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus rings. Trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus rings. So this poem is all about what are the things elephants do in a circus ring. See, elephants walking along the trails. Trails means line. How will they walk? They walk in a line. Elephants walk in a line. Are holding hands. Do elephants have hands? No, elephants do not have hands. Then how will they pick the things? They use their trunks to pick the things. So, by holding tails, they do not have hands. That's why they hold their tails. See, elephants walking along the trails. Elephants walk in a line. Are holding hands? No, by holding tails. They do not hold their hands. They hold their tails. Trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus rings. So their trunk and the tails are the handy things. We have 2 hands, but elephants do not have hands. Then how will they hold their hands? They use their trunks and the tails of the another elephant to hold, to join their hands. So holding hands means joining hands together. Okay. So they hold their hands by holding their trunks and tails. Have you understood? So they walk in a line and they hold their trunks and tails in a circus ring. See, trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus rings. So in a circus ring, elephants walk in a line by holding their trunks and tails. Have you all understood? So this poem is all about elephants. What are the things elephants do in a circus ring? So in a circus ring, they walk in a line, they hold their trunks and tails. Have you all understood? Shall we see the another 8 lines? Elephants work and elephants play, and elephants walk and also sway. Elephants walk and elephants play, and elephants walk and also sway. And when they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails. And when they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails. So elephants can walk and elephants can play. And elephants can walk and also sway. So elephants can walk, can play and also sway. Sway means swing. See this meaning for sway. Sway means swing. How will they walk? They will walk rhythmically from side to side. Isn't that? Have you all seen? So elephants can walk, elephants can play, and also elephants can walk and also circus rings. Elephants work and elephants play, and elephants walk and also swing. And when they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails. Elephants work and elephants play, and elephants walk and also swing. When they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails. Have you understood the poem? Shall we sing this poem? Are you ready to sing with me? Shall we sing it? Yes.
3.
Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Trunks and tails are handy things. Trunks and tails are handy things. When elephants walk in circus rings. When elephants walk in circus rings. Elephants work and elephants play. Elephants work and elephants play. And elephants walk and also sway. And elephants walk and also sway. And when they walk, they never fail. And when they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails. To hold their hands by holding tails.
Children, shall we sing a song once again? Sing with me.
Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Trunks and tails are handy things. Trunks and tails are handy things. When elephants walk in circus rings. When elephants walk in circus rings. Elephants work and elephants play. Elephants work and elephants play. And elephants walk and also sway. And elephants walk and also sway. And when they walk, they never fail. And when they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails. To hold their hands by holding tails. Elephants walking along the trails are holding hands by holding tails. Trunks and tails are handy things when elephants walk in circus rings. Elephants work and elephants play. And elephants walk and also sway. And when they walk, they never fail to hold their hands by holding tails.
Children, now we are going to write our classwork notebook. So in the previous class, what we have written? We have written D words, synonyms and antonyms, isn't it? So in this class, we are going to write rhyming words and past tense. Shall we write? Before start writing, what you have to do? You have to sharp your pencil and take a new page, okay? So I am going to write Roman letter 4. Roman letter 4. I am going to write the past tense. P-A-S-T. Past tense. T-E-N-S-E. Past tense. Past tense means completed actions, okay? Past tense are nothing, it means completed action, okay? So now I am going to write the first one, walk. W-A-L-K. Children, remember, you have to begin with capital cursive letter and you have to touch the 4 lines properly. Okay, walk. The past tense of walk is walked. Just you have to add ed to the word. See, walk, walked. Walk, walk. Here I have just added ed to the word. So the past tense of walk is walked. Second one, play. P L A Y. Play. The past tense of play is played. See, P L A Y E D. Played. Okay. Third one, work. W O R K. Work. The past tense of work is yes, very good. Worked. W O R K E D. Worked. Here also I have just added ed to the word work. Worked. And the fourth one, fail. F A I L. Fail. The past tense of fail is failed. So here also I am going to just add ed. Okay. Failed. Past tense of fail is failed. But the fifth one is different. See, see. Yes, see. The past tense of see is saw. Here you have the spelling of S-E-E. See. The past tense of see is saw. Here see the spelling for saw. S-A-W. Saw. Have you all understood? Shall we recap it once again? Walk, walked. Play, played. Work, worked. Fail, failed. See, saw. Past tense are nothing. Completed actions are called past tense. Now we are going to write Roman letter 5. Remember, here I don't have enough space. That's why I am going to the next page. If you have enough space to write rhyming words, you can write down to the past tense. So I am going to write rhyming words. Rhyming words. Okay. Okay, very good. First one, rhyming words are nothing. The ending sound will be same. Okay. For example, see, trials. T-R-A-I-L-S. Trials. So the rhyming word for trial is trials. R-A-I-L-S. Trials. Okay. So the ending sound are same. See, trials, trials. Second one, ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. Past tense of ring is king. K-I-N-G. King. Okay. Third one, sway. Sway means the rhythmic movement from side to side, isn't it? We have learnt. The meaning for sway is swing or the rhythmic movement from side to side. Okay. The rhyming word for sway is stay. The ending sound is same. See, sway, stay. Fourth one, fail. F-A-I-L. Fail. The rhyming word for fail is tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Fail, tail. Fifth one, walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Okay. I'm going to write talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Shall we read it once again? Trials, riles. Ring, sway, stay, fail, tail, walk, talk. So these words ends with same sound. Okay, try, ride, ring, king, sway, stay, fail, tail, walk, talk. Rhyming words are nothing. The ending sound will be same. Shall we move on to the next question and answer? Here I don't have enough space. That's why I am going to write in the next page. Okay? So I am going to write Roman letter 6. Okay? Roman letter 6, question and answer. I have written in short form. You can also follow this one. Okay? First one, how? H-O-W. See children, you have to begin with capital cursive letter. Don't forget. Okay? After one word, you have to leave one finger space. Okay? After one word, you have to leave one finger space. Then start the next word. After the next one, you have to leave one finger space. To the elephants do the elephants hold hands? See the question. How do the elephants hold hands? After finishing the question, you have to put question mark. So, have you understood the question? How do the elephants hold the hands? Yes, they hold their hands by holding their tails. Now I am going to write the answer. Before start writing your answer, you have to leave 2 finger space. Okay? So after start to write your answer. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Elephants hold. H-O-L-D. Hold hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Elephant holds hands by holding tails. After finishing your answer, you have to put full stop. Okay? How do elephants hold hands? So the answer is elephants hold hands by holding tails. Okay? I am going to write the second question. Where do elephants live? L-I-V-E, live. Do elephants live in water? No, elephants live on land. So the answer is, before start writing, you have to leave 2 finger space. Begin with capital cursive letter. Elephants live. L-I-V-E, live on. O-N, on. Land. L-A-N-D, land. So elephants live on land. After finishing your answer, you have to put full stop. So we have written 2 question and answer. Here I don't have enough space to write the third one. For that I am going to write here. Question number 3. Do elephants have hands? D-O, do. Elephants. P-H-A-N-T-S. Yes. Do elephants have hands? After finishing the question, you have to put full stop. Okay. So the answer is. Now tell me, do elephants have hands? No, elephants do not have hands. That's why I have written no. Elephants do not, D-O do, N-O-T not, do not have, H-A-V-E have hands. Okay, after finishing your answer you have to put full stop. Fourth question. What? Begin with capital cursive letter. What? What? D-O do. They, D-H-E-Y, they. What do they use? What do they use to pick things up? You pick up. After finishing question, you have to put question mark. So the answer is, you have to leave 2 finger space. They use their trunk. See the spelling for trunk? T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. What is mean by trunk? The long nose of an elephant is called trunk. So they use their trunk to pick things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things up. Okay, after finishing the answer you have to put full stop. So for your home assignment you have to write down past tense, rhyming words and question and answer in your English classwork notebook. So in the previous class we have written the words, synonyms and antonyms. After the antonyms, write past tense. After that write rhyming words. Then write question and answer in your English classwork notebook. Did you all enjoy the rhyme? Yes, very good. Shall we recap the hard words? Trice. Trice means line. They walk one by one in a line. Trunks. The long part of the long nose of an elephant. Elephant's nose. Trunks are nothing. Elephant's nose. Circus ring. Circus rings are nothing. It is a place or it is an area where the circus acts are done. Circus ring means circus act. Spade. Spade means swing. Fail. Fail means break. Fail means break. Tracks, line. Trunks, elephant's nose. Circus ring, circus act. Sway. Sway means swing. Fail. Fail means break. So these are the odd words in this poem. Holding hands. Okay children, for your home assignment you have to write down the past tense, rhyming words and question and answers in your English classwork notebook. For your classwork notebook you have to write down the past tense, rhyming words and question and answers in your English classwork notebook. And for your activity you have to complete page number 31 in your English textbook. In page number